we? Do you need a pet?
Like one.
Well, there are so many. Which one's best?
We don't know.
Now, puppy dogs are great.
Woof woof.
Fish are nice.
Love.
And cats
Meow.
can really catch those mice.
Squeak squeak.
Now, of all the animals, which one is the best? But before you decide, there's one I like to suggest.
I think that you should
Get yourself a baby kangaroo. Well, you know what a kangaroo will do. They bounce and 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 bounce. When you bounce, they bounce.
let me finish it out now. That was good.
Good job, Aaron.
He asked if I would sing Baby Kangaroo. And he knows it better than I do.
Get yourself a baby kangaroo. Hey, you know what a kangaroo will do. It bounce, 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 and then they bounce more. Get yourself a baby kangaroo. Hey, you know what a kangaroo will do. They get tired of bouncing, they go. Okay, the last bounce. We're gonna bounce the highest bounce. Ever bounce. By bounce, we should wind it like a string. And when they get tired of bouncing, they will
Bounce.
bounce. Now when they're little, they're cute. Your mom will like it too. Pretty soon your house looks like a zoo. Dad will enjoy not working so hard. Grass won't ever grow in the yard. So get yourself a baby kangaroo. Hey, you know what a kangaroo is. When they get tired of bouncing, they will wind up like a spring. Now in about a year, your pet is fully grown. You need a bigger yard, you want a bigger home. 'Cause when he was little, he loved to bounce. But now he's bigger and he loves to bounce. So get yourself a baby kangaroo. Hey, you know what a kangaroo will do. When they get tired of bouncing, they will. When they get tired of bouncing, they will.